Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. Your motorcycle has two spark plugs. You'll need to check them once every 5,000 kilometers or 3,000 miles. First, ensure that the ignition is off and the engine is cold. Then remove the suppressor cap and spark plug. Clean the insulator tip and electrodes using a clean cloth and set the electrode gap between 0.7 mm to 0.8 mm. Replace the spark plug every 20,000 kilometers or 12,000 miles. Carbon deposits in the spark plug cause misfiring. Clean them off with a clean cloth. Remove the plug from the engine, leaving the suppressor cap attached. Place the tip of the spark plug against a metallic surface and press the starter button. If there's no spark, interchange the spark plug with the other plug on your motorcycle. If there is still no spark, contact your service center immediately. And that's it. You have just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield Twin in good shape.